Hi guys, how are you? So today I'm at my farm and I am doing Diwali celebration. So actually this is the celebration or vacation time. So during that time I thought like I can come into my farm and there I can make one video it's related to data science. So guys, nowadays lot of interview questions are coming related to the Python coding. Even if you are experienced person or if you are fresher or if you have 3-4 years experience or even 5 6 or 7 8 or maybe more than this, if you are preparing for the data science skills or interview round, or if you want to learn all this, then you should learn some basic concepts of Python, and you should must know how to means create the code or write efficient code, and how you can debug the code. So today I will talk about some very important questions, and those are related to the Python coding. So first question is most of the times is asked by the interviewer, or you can see in many types of exams or even your interview coding round. So this is related to the list, where you have need to find the some single element from that list. Also you have need to sort the list by utilizing for loop or while loop, and you can't utilize any pre-built function there. Also you have to utilize lambda function there, and you have need to utilize some like bubble sort, merge sort types of algorithms also. Another question is coming related to dictionary. So either you have need to sort the dictionary by utilizing lambda function, or you have need to utilize sort dictionary by utilizing for loop, and you have need to sort it by utilizing keys, as well as you have need to sort it utilizing by the values. Another is same for the tuples. So you have need to prepare very well for this, like by utilizing lambda, then by utilizing for loop, then by utilizing the list comprehension also. So guys, sometimes it looks like very easy, but if you don't practice well, then definitely you will stuck at the code and you can't you are unable to solve that one. So another question guys is it's related to the flatten list. They will give you the list within the list, nested type list, and you have need to flatten. So you have need to utilize a recursive function very well. Same applies for that flatten dictionary. They will give you the dictionary within dictionary or its nested dictionary. So how you can utilize that flatten there, how you can utilize extend or append update mechanism there. So that's very important. Another questions are coming related to the pandas data frame. So most of the interview will give you the questions related to customer ID, sales, region, and something. So indirectly they want to utilize their pandas group by functions there. After group by, you need to add that sales column there, then you have need to create this sum, or you have need to apply some aggregate functions there, and after that you have need to complete that code. Another one very important questions goes related to SQL. So they will give you the both two tables, and within that tables either you need to perform so many operations, like you need to find the topmost products or second highest max salary, or you need to utilize left join, right join, or you need to find sum, average, find duplicate numbers, and add foreign keys, similar type of questions. Then most of the times question are asked, those are related to the string also. So from the given strings you need to find the most repetitive characters strings, most longest subsequent string, or you have need to find the count of words given the list or string, and list is goes on. So guys, for to doing all those coding types of problems, you must know basic Pythons, how you can add variables, how you can trim the list, or how you can add the sequence to the list, how you can pop the elements, or how you can slice the string list. You should know various types of dictionaries functions, then set functions. So by doing this and by doing keeping practice, you can able to solve very tough questions also. Sometimes they will give the some scenario based questions where they will give you the graph. In that graph there will be some line charts, bar charts, and they will try to ask you to find the max area between those two lines. So you have need to utilize the concepts for loop within the loops, and you have need to do a lot of practice, then only you can able to do all those things. So let me know if anyone has the solutions to the all my questions. They can paste those in the comments without copying it from the ChatGPT or seeing it from the nets. So let's see how many people are able to solve it, and let's clap for them. So I'm waiting for your reply. Thanks, have a good day, bye bye, and enjoy your vacations, Diwali. Thank you.